Hi guys, it's AirMiller36 and I'm here with my brother and my friend. Say hi. Hi. Okay, so we're gonna play work at a pizza place, so let's get
Oh, what? I missed.
so we're gonna play work at a pizza place.
I'm triggered.
Okay, so
I'm changing my avatar right quick.
work at a pizza place, there are people here. Okay, so we got cashier, cook.
Just so you know, we're recording a video right now.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna be cashier.
Shout out to this kid.
Okay, nobody's cashier. Oh, I didn't want to be pizza box. Okay,
What should we be?
I'm being cashier. We need to be jobs that no people are, and we might need another.
Let's be a cashier.
Okay, our pizza is guaranteed to be delicious.
Okay, so which one should I be?
I'm
Doesn't
the
matter.
guy with the.
Okay, so I'm setting.
I'm pizza maker.
Okay,
I'm being a cashier. Do you like my face?
oh, that's cool. Okay, our pizza is
I'm gonna
guaranteed
save my
to be
money now.
delicious. Oops. You both are the same. Okay, cheese pizza. I'm gonna be cook. Landon, you run the cashier.
I'm gonna.
Okay, there's somebody already running all this. Dude, they're making like thousands of sausage pizzas.
cook.
Okay, you be cook and I'll be delivery, I guess. Cause nobody. Wait, I'll be supplier. Wait, is there pizza boxer? Yeah, there's pizza boxer, but nobody's being it, so I guess I'll do it.
What does she want?
Oh god, it's still fine. Kick, I guess. I'm so mean.
Arrow, look, it's me.
Huh?
Look, it's me. It's me.
Yeah.
I'm cooking a pizza. It's me.
Now I want pizza. I might get some pizza. Don't put the pizza
my
on the
gosh.
floor.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so we got that.
What do I
taken
want?
care of. I'm gonna be supplier because are we running out of anything? I'm just gonna drive one of the pizza cars. So let's go.
Oh, Aaron, look, you're here.
Oh, I am?
Yeah,
That's
look.
cool. Okay, so I cannot drive apparently. I've gotten better. Okay, we are
Oh,
going.
Aaron, do you like my little me? It's called Landon.
Okay, we are going.
I wonder if you pick. Do you like pepperoni pizza?
No, I
You
just like.
your Roblox character just choose that.
Chose that, but okay.
Cholula.
Cholula. Okay, we are okay.
I'm so nice.
Dude, look what this person, the last supplier, just like totally trashed. Okay, so it looks like we need more dough, so I'm just gonna pack up everything that is in here and leave it here, and I'll bring back the other one truck. I'm sorry, we're filming in the library because I don't have a computer at home. Okay, so
Wait, I already did with this person.
it's fine. Wait, there's a drive-thru now? I haven't played this in a while.
Yeah, there's always been one.
Okay, we need more dough. Dude, look at this. This person just made a mess. Okay,
And I'm done at this job.
okay, so let's keep going. Alright,
Am I the only one who has Turbo Burst Club?
okay, it looks like we need a little bit more boxes because we're going pretty quick on boxes. Let's get more tomato sauce while we're at it. Okay,
I have the gravel.
okay, so I'm packing up.
Where's the pizza?
I'm still being the supplier. Dude, this is like, I used to play this all the time when I played Roblox. Like when I started playing. I played. Okay,
Era, where is A?
A?
Is A?
What do you mean?
I don't know where A is.
A? Just look at the addresses on the mailbox and you should be able to see.
Well, I'm finding it right.
I might have some pizza tonight, actually.
Is this game winning? Well,
Whenever I play this, oops, I dropped it. Whenever I play this, I want pizza.
Era, look, I'm delivering a pizza. This guy had a monster.
Okay, we're
He
gonna.
just closed the door on me.
Seriously?
He's so
That's
mean.
so mean. Okay,
Yeah,
I'm
the guy
gonna.
who I was delivering to just
Let's just hope my truck doesn't despawn. Because if it did, that would suck. Okay, I'm in the B neighborhood and I am bringing back all these pizza supplies.
Ah! Oh my god.
Where are you?
I'm in the sea.
Why are you in the sea? Okay, so
I'm looking
let's
for this.
get this in.
My meat is in here.
Turn back.
Oh my gosh, Aaron, look at my body when it dies in the water. Aaron, where are you?
I am
Aaron,
trying.
come on.
Hey guys,
I suck at being a supplier.
Where am I?
I will.
Okay, there we go.
I'm
We're good.
lost.
Don't you dare drive off, because
Guys,
if you do, I'm gonna be sad.
Well, I'm lost too.
Jesus, how many did you need?
I wanted us to be supplied.
Well, life's not all what you need.
Wait, whoa. That was my supplying truck.
I told you, life's not all what you want.
You're not wrong. Okay,
Who
so
is this person
okay,
who's
who
in
do
my?
we need? We
Guys,
need
you need to get in the same game as me. It could be Flash. It could be no.
Okay,
We don't care.
Oh my gosh, there's like nobody. Okay, who wants to be the pizza boxer with me? Okay, Alex is already helping me, so we need another cook.
I don't want this.
Hey, Alex, do you think you could do the pizza boxing job?
This is actually what?
Can you do the pizza boxing job while I do the cooking?
What?
Dude, this person is making such a mess.
Aaron, look.
Okay, we are just gonna trash this pizza.
So pizza boxing?
Yeah, pizza boxing. I'm sending more pizzas in.
Aaron, look.
Yeah,
Wait.
I got it.
Oh, holy crap. Have you ever, you know, the old style ovens, like where you put, where you could actually like go in the oven yourself?
Oh
Okay,
yeah, Aaron. Oh, Aaron, do you want to see an Easter egg? Follow me. Follow me out
I'm
here.
taking orders right now. I
I
can't.
want to show you an Easter egg.
I can't.
That's in here.
Pepperoni pizza. There you go.
I want to show you an Easter egg.
Fine.
Just come out here with me.
Hey
Oh,
guys,
it's so
hey,
cool.
delivery man, we have a lot of pizzas for you.
Okay, what's going on?
Aaron, you see how this? See this?
Yeah. Whoa.
Jump through that.
Wait.
See?
Dude, this is so cool. Wait, can you keep a secret?
Yes.
Oh, that's cool. Like, you can actually see the pizzas cooking. It's an Easter egg, kind of. Well, it's not really an Easter egg, but it's like
Bro,
a hint.
it's so cool to see them just get made.
It's hidden.
Oh yeah, Aaron, look, I can just.
Okay,
I can just.
we-
No, my meat is sad.
Okay, so there's enough cashiers. We might need another cook.
We
need-
He needs to start sleeping.
Oh gosh, this person is just leaving pizzas. Like, seriously, dude? Come on.
No.
Pizza man.
Oh, jeez, I'm already messing up.
Aaron, I can just see you.
Hey,
Oh,
we
good
need
thing I'm not the manager.
Pizza delivery.
Aaron, if I
This
was-
person is making every single pizza except the one that we actually need. We need cheese and
Wait,
sausage.
which one do you
I see
need?
somebody right here.
We're making sausage, but we need sausage. We need two
Guys, we're
sausages.
making less money.
Yeah, because this cook isn't like doing anything. She's just making 1,000 pepperoni pizzas,
I think it's like her favorite.
and she's just wasting dough.
I'm gonna become a supplier, and I'm just gonna put.
Can you please actually
Hey
make
guys, we need pizza.
Oh yeah, Aaron.
pizzas that are ordered instead
Oh,
of
Aaron, have
random?
you realized that we're still recording?
Okay, guys.
Yeah,
let's
I know.
check how many pizzas are outside waiting.
Okay, I said, can you please actually make the pizzas that are ordered? Oh no. Instead
Guys,
of
there's so many pizzas. They're falling off the table.
ew. We need. Is there any other supplier? Okay, yeah, we've got suppliers.
Hey, you two. Tell me.
I already made a sausage.
Well, we might as well just close all these up.
Well, we just throw them away. Just
this
throw them away.
person's trying to get in there.
How do you get in that secret room?
Dude, it's good that.
This
No.
one, there's a secret room in this one.
You know what? We'll just keep that pizza, I guess. Okay, and we need a lime soda.
Phil.
And what will happen if you just leave it in there?
It's gonna burn. Look at this pizza, though. It's so disgusting.
Hey, I'm ordering a pizza, guys.
Oh, you are? Really?
I ordered something.
Okay.
Okay, guys,
Let me
I'm
know
gonna
when
leave it on
you're
the
ready.
floor.
You know what I used to do when I
I
started
sent you
making
my- I
Roblox?
want a Mountain
What?
Dew.
Like, when I started playing Roblox, I would be so mean to the customers.
Oh my gosh. Era, look.
Dude, you
What
guys
happened
gotta...
to the server?
Yo, it's so bright. I can barely see you.
Okay, we need a cheese pizza. Come on, man, we need a cheese pizza. Come on, come on.
Era,
Oh, that's disgusting.
Era,
I said
get
you
the
pepperoni
fire
and
scene.
Mountain Dew. I need those.
Get this.
No way.
Let me in.
Deal with it yourself.
I'm breaking in.
Double time.
Guess
Wait,
what? I'm
no,
doing
we
it.
have
I
double
gotta do
time.
what-
No.
Is that good or bad?
I don't know.
Dude, look what, oh my gosh. If our
have
customers knew what was happening in our kitchen, I mean, it would be bad.
Let me.
Dude, I'm all like covered in
Red.
Look, I'm knocking on the door.
Bro, I wonder what the people, our customers are like.
Hey, look.
Dude, they can see in here.
Dude, look.
Like, they were actually
I'm
real.
knocking on the door.
I know, right?
Guys, what? Listen to this. Listen when I get bugs. Listen.
No, don't put that. That's disgusting pizza.
Guys, listen to what it sounds like. Listen, you can hear them screaming.
Oh my gosh.
You hear that? You can hear them screaming.
Man, like, nobody's doing their job.
Stop. Oh, I'm on fire. Help. Help.
Help me. Help me.
Oh, no!
We
No,
don't
we got a
need
pizza
this.
on fire.
We're on fire. Era, we're gonna cook.
This is horrible.
Close it. Close
Ew,
it.
it has cockroaches on it.
Where?
The pepperoni pizza
Put it in the
does.
oven. Listen.
Ew.
Come up.
Throw it away.
I did. Oh,
No,
no,
come-
don't put it in the oven.
No, come up to it. You can hear them screaming above.
Seriously?
Yeah, come here.
I don't have my sound on, so I can't. Dude, look what you're doing. You're leaving the pizzas in for too long.
Look, I can feel it.
We're gonna burn this
Turn it
place
on to-
down.
Look.
How much do you have? Look, how much fire am I?
Look.
Oh, crap. We got orders coming in by the minute, guys. We gotta keep up the pace.
Put the pizza on the floor.
Why?
No, don't. We need to actually work. We need lime soda. Soda.
One was just ready.
Oh, really? Oh, thank you. I'm lucky I have someone sitting next to me, or else I
guys.
wouldn't even know.
Look, come here.
Put it in the oven.
Come to the oven. Come to the oven. You can hear them scream. Seriously,
Hey, can you turn that down, Landon?
guys.
Ew, that's disgusting.
Hey, come here.
Can you squash those bugs?
Listen.
Squash.
Ah!
Need a
Help
match.
me! Oh my gosh, it's so hard. Help me!
We are failing at being pizza people.
Era?
Put it in there.
That one is not cooked.
Ew, this one's covered in mold.
You don't say. It totally just hasn't been on the floor.
Wait, are you the one who has the dough?
It totally just
Cook it. He's actually
cook the moldy
cooking the
pizza.
mold pizza.
Oh god.
Oh gosh, we're failing.
One is burning. One is burning.
Oh god,
I got the mold pizza cooked.
got the moldy pizza.
Put the
No,
bugs
no.
Oh.
Throw that away.
No, I just dropped the soda.
Guys, I
We
have
are
to...
failing.
Hey,
We're getting through it though.
guys,
Throw that
look.
away. That's disgusting. Throw it. Just put it up there.
I love this. It's so cute.
Oh, we need a pepperoni pizza, guys.
Guys, look how cute this is.
Perfect pizza.
I-
Pepperoni.
I already put. We're gonna get fired.
Era, I don't think you can. Era,
Need a lime
look
soda.
at my meat. He's bald.
We don't have a delivery person.
Ah!
Can someone go be delivery?
You.
No, I have to stay here and run the kitchen because none of you can. I got working. I should
Ah.
for being a good worker. Let's just serve that to the customers. Oh, oops! I dropped it.
Who keeps spraying you?
Okay, guys, I think that's gonna do it for this video. If you want more, just comment, and we'll see you guys later. Goodbye.
Bye.